Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So lately I've been researching a lot about cryptocurrency trading, and I just thought I would share it whatever I have learned in the past 1.5 months. This video is not about what is cryptocurrency, what is blockchain technology. I'm sure you will find that information in many other YouTube videos. You can just Google it up and learn the basics. So this video is all about the practical approach towards cryptocurrency trading. What are the potential cryptocurrency that we could trade, and is it legal in India? So these are the things that we are going to see. So first thing first, is it legal in India to trade cryptocurrency? Yes, absolutely. There is no law as such that you should not trade cryptocurrencies as of now, and even in future, if there is some kind of a ban or something, the government will give us enough buffer time to liquidate our position, like say 6 months or so. So we are completely safe in that particular point of view. So which is the best brokerage for cryptocurrency in India? Lately I've been doing a lot of research, and also I spoke with a lot of traders, cryptocurrency traders in India, and 70% of them are trading in WazirX. There is a reason behind it, because it is backed by Binance, which is kind of a largest exchange for cryptocurrency in the world, and it is fast and secure. You can withdraw amount and deposit amount very fast, and also there is a option for you to transfer to Binance, which is an international broker. You can transfer it to them for free of cost. So there are a lot of advantages here, and that's why I've been trading in this also for the past 1.5 weeks. And also you can use my link below to open an account very fast. And let's get started.
Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. The reason why I'm particularly interested in trading cryptocurrency now is because, as you guys know, that the Bitcoin has been trending for the past 1 year. So it moved from 5,000 to 63,000 in less than 1 year, right? Almost 1,000% gain, correct? And yeah, I did not trade, or I did not make any money out of it. But the reason why I'm interested right now is because I'm not going to trade Bitcoins, but I'm going to trade other altcoins in the coming months. There is a reason why I think there is a potential in altcoins. As far as the other cryptocurrency trader who has been trading in the cryptocurrency market for the past 2-3 years, they are expecting a bull run in other altcoins. What is altcoins? Anything except Bitcoin are called altcoins, and they did not move as much as the Bitcoin. For example, if you look at the XRP USD, you can see that it did not even cross its all-time high, and they are expecting other altcoins, right? These coins, they are expecting to grow. They are expecting the bull run to start, and that this is one of the main reason why I'm interested in trading this, and I do not want to miss the move. But be very careful that please allocate only the amount that you are willing to lose, because this is a double-edged sword. It can move up 50%, it can move down 50% as well. So be very careful on trading cryptocurrencies. I'm gonna allocate few capital of my own, not as much as stocks, but I'm gonna allocate for sure, and we are going to use the same techniques that we have been following right from the beginning, right? So basically, these are the top 10 cryptocurrencies based on the market cap. If you look at the Bitcoin, it has reached $1 trillion, followed by Ethereum around 281 billions, and Binance coin $85 billion, and XRP, which is around $59 billion. So you can go on and see what are the coins, and you can do the research and do the technical analysis. But I will also be sharing all other details in my community, and if you guys are willing to join, you can join. So for example, let's look at the XRP itself. Let's go into 1 hour time frame, and if you look at this is a perfect channel pattern, and it took a very good support and formed a bullish engulfing. And look at it after let's say we kept our stop loss right below here, it moved 17% in just 22 hours, guys. So this is the reason why I'm interested in this. So we are not going to day trade here. This is more kind of a hold. It can be for 2 days, 3 days, 1 week or 2 weeks. It depends on the chart setup. I'm gonna trade all the altcoins. I'm gonna do all the research in the coming days. I'm going to look for setups that are very low in risk. For example, I'm going to expect it to touch here, and probably it can move like this. So my entry would be here with a minimal stop loss in XRP US dollar. The first target would be the upper trend line, and then if it can break out, it can move, and I will also adjust my stop loss, trailing stop loss. So here I'm gonna keep very strict stop loss. I'm not going to improvise my stop loss as like what I do in stocks, because this is entirely a different instrument which is very volatile, and I do not want to risk, okay, because the moves are very drastic and it's very volatile, and you will not be able to liquidate your position. Sticking to the stop loss is the best thing that you can do in cryptocurrency as far as I know. For example, let's look at Monero. It is about to cross its all-time high, and look at, this is the all-time high, and probably it can break out, take a retrace, and then move again. So anything may happen. Let's wait and see. Let's do the analysis. Look at the Dogecoin. It moved almost more than 500% in a week, and this is right now in a channel pattern. And if you look at the risk here, which is kind of huge, and the returns is kind of 29%, 1:1.3. I don't consider this as a good risk reward ratio, so it's not a good trade. So always look for a good, better risk reward ratio, guys. And there is no chart setup or buy for us, although it may go up to here, but if my stop loss is hit, this is 20%, so it's very huge, right? So I'm gonna play it safe, and this is how you must do the analysis. Just stick to what I've taught in the in stocks. Whatever techniques that I've taught you, you can apply the same and it works fine, okay? And let's hope for the best. Please make sure to use the referral link below, which is in the description and also in the pinned comments. The account creation are much faster when you use these links. Okay, so basically this is the main reason behind me venturing into cryptocurrency. I'm gonna make use of the bull run if it ever happens. And again, guys, there is no guarantee that the bull run is going to be there for altcoins, but people are expecting, and as far as I know, I want to make use of it as well. And let's see, I'm gonna enter cryptocurrencies where the risk are very, very minimal, and I'm not going to chase bitcoins, or I'm not going to chase any other altcoins just because it is moving up. I will enter only if my risk is very small, okay? So I hope you guys understood rationale behind me going in behind cryptocurrency. So I hope you find it useful as well.
Please let me know in the comment section if you guys want more videos related to cryptocurrency. I would be happy to upload it. And also please make sure to like this video and also subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any good videos. Thank you so much for watching with patience.